Hi, my name is Mark, and my daughter's name is Darsnika. We chose God's Global Oak Tree scholars because they have a different approach to teaching the children with the NLP approach, Neuro-Linguistic Programming. So this is something that really made us very impressed. During their Mandarin Day celebration in school, all the parents had a chance to sit down and become students for a day. We were learning Mandarin from our kids. And as well as during the sports day, there's also a dedicated relay race where the parents get to take part. So that makes us feel even more involved and interested to be participating into all these events. We do not send our daughter to tuition because in GOTS, you have the tutorial sessions at the end of the day. The Funky Munky as well, with the multiple activities that they have, speech and drama, they have taekwondo, they have ballet. So all these classes that I would have been thinking of putting my daughter to separately, I don't need to do that now because she is learning that once a week in school. The uniqueness of the Financial Smart class has actually allowed for Darsnika to be very much more mature in her purchasing decisions, and she evaluates whether something is really a value for money before making a purchase. So these kind of concepts are something that I believe it's only possible because she has taken the Financial Smart class under Global Oak Tree Scholars.